How to get unbanned on X Twitter without appeal. Now, the only way that to fix this issue is to really submit a report or to file a report. Now, there's no way for us to be able to get our X Twitter account getting unbanned without an appeal. So all you really have to do is to go to your preferred web browser and type in Twitter support. Now you can choose either one of these two, contact us or help center. Go ahead and click on, press on contact us. Then from here, press on locked and suspended account issues. Now this is actually the first resolution that they can provide. So you'll have to appeal to a locked or suspended account. Now, if you are currently not logged in or logged into an X account that is not suspended or locked, now you'll have to log out on your current account that is currently suspended, and you can choose or you can use lend a hand for another account that is not suspended or locked and submit a request using your username or the email address associated with your X Twitter account. And then the X Twitter customer support will be the ones to rectify the issue for you. You'll just have, or you will guys be communicating via email for this issue to be resolved. So that's the only way how to get unbanned on X Twitter without appeal.